So today Charitable have taken a day to work with our friends at Pest Kaipātiki to work on weeding essentially. This is something I'm really happy to be doing today, working with Pest who do a great job in their community. Sustainability for me is a continual commitment to our environment and to showing up every day to make the planet a better place. Our partnership with Future Energy just makes a lot of sense. There's great synergies in our aims towards sustainability.
I think it's a bit of a no-brainer, solar in particular. So much cost going into other renewable sources that, we've all got a rooftop we can use typically, so why aren't we using it? Every warehouse, every home that we put solar and batteries into is all being a big part to play in creating a more renewable future.
I'm very proud of the work that we do. For me, I'm very excited to show a customer at the end of the job what the job looks like. Good to see that people want to take part in creating a sustainable future.
As a community environmental organisation, the Future Energy contribution has been amazing because it enables us to significantly reduce our electricity costs, and then we're able to spend that on the community and the environment.